Alright guys, it is the next day and I have actually taken the time to go through and figure out all the circuitry or the circuit paths in this switch and figure out what all the wire numbers are actually for. Now yeah, you can spend a couple hours looking through the TMs and find a wiring diagram and figure it all out that way, but it actually took me a whole lot less time to just figure it out looking at this in the truck than to do that. So I wrote them all down, but I've got this pigtail here all splayed out, and I'm actually probably going to make a test rig out of this pigtail here so I can test switches in the future. Let's see, got them all written down here. So we've got, let's start with the lowest number first. Number 15, right there. That is your main power into the switch. That feeds everything. Okay. Then you got number 16, which is right here. And that is your power out to the headlights. This goes down to the dimmer switch, where it splits off there to 17 and 18, which is high beams and low beams. 17 is high beams, 18 is low beams. After that, we've got number 19. I'm going in numerical order here. 19, that is the power to your blackout drive headlamp. 21, which is over here on the other side somewhere. 23, right there. 21, right here. That is your taillights. That goes to both of your taillights. Just when you turn service drive on, your taillights come on. So that's your power out for that. 22. Where are you, 22? It's not, that's... oh, right here. This is your power to your turn signal circuit. So what this does is it'll go... I don't know if it goes to the turn signal switch first or to the flasher module first, but yeah, this is your power that feeds that whole turn signal circuit. So if you're having a problem with that, you can start at the end and trace it back, or start here if you've got power here, and go on down the line. 23 is down here. This is your blackout stop lamps. So when you hit the brakes, this will send power to your stop lamps on the blackout taillights. 24, which is over here, that is your blackout marker lights in the front and the rear. You don't have turn signals when you're in blackout mode. There are no turn signals at all, because you're not supposed to exceed like 5 miles an hour, I think. So, but you do have brake lights because you don't want to run into each other, following each other at close distance. So 24 is your blackout marker. The next is 40. 40 is your cluster illumination. This branches into two number 40 wires in the harness between the headlight switch and the cluster. And you have two number 40 wires that connect to each, one to each lamp behind the cluster. Number 75, you've got two leads for 75 here and here. This is your stop lamp circuit. I'm not sure why there's two. Obviously, there's got to be an in and an out here, right? So, and if you want to know a little bit more, just for your turn signals, 46022 it's not just your right rear, it's the right turn signal circuit, and 46122 is your left turn circuit. So hopefully this is helpful to you. It only took me 20 minutes to go through and figure this all out today when I had some daylight. So hope it's helpful to you guys. If you have any questions, comments, post them in the comment section below. Be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And please don't forget to check out our generous sponsors that are listed in the description box below this video as always. We appreciate you, and we'll see you next time.